Hello, welcome to Photoshop Quicklabs. In today's video, we will be taking a deeper look at the Move tool. For this video, we will be using Adobe Photoshop CC 2025, and we will be working in Workspace Essentials Default. Our Move tool is located at the top of our toolbar. And as you can see, I do have my tooltips activated, so I could watch a short video on how to use this tool and also get the keyboard shortcut. The Move tool is basically here for you to be able to move elements around your project, around your canvas. That could be a text layer, it could be shapes, it could be effects, it could be a number of things. As long as it's in your project, the Move tool will allow you to move that. So let's take a look at how to reset our tool. If you have made changes to the tool and you want to reset it to its default, you would click the drop down next to the tool, go to the gear icon, and then we would hit Reset Tool. This automatically turns on whatever default features were active for this tool in the menu. Now here, as you can see, it turned on the auto select feature, which means that when I hover over items in my project, it would allow me to select them simply by clicking on them. And by clicking on them, it also selects the layer. Now this can be a good feature if you are, doing a fast project and you have large items in your project. But if you have tiny little layered items in your project, this function may work against you. So it is easy to just turn that off by disabling it. You also have the short transform feature, which allows you to resize your layers directly from selecting them. So I can go ahead and resize that snow layer and then move it around to where I want to. I can even skew the perspective by holding down the command option or the command button and then making changes that way, so I can look at it more like this. You can make a variety of changes. You can skew it just slightly. Basically having that feature on makes it simple to go ahead and transform your items. The other thing that you can do is you also have the ability to select multiple layers. So if I select more than one layer, and all I did there was I clicked on one layer, I held shift down, and then I clicked on another layer. That then enables the alignment features for our Move tool. So I can align by a side, I can align to a center, whether that's horizontal or vertical. And then the one thing that you do have to notice with the align functions is if you go to your to these three little buttons at the end, it will have this little feature here, align to, and this is aligning to the selection. So whatever items you have selected, it's going to align them to each other. Now, if you want the alignment of those items to be to the canvas, then all you have to do is go to Canvas. So then here I can say center and center. And as you can see, it dragged my mountains up to be center on the canvas. And I can move those back into position. And that is basically a quick rundown of our Move tool. I will see you in the next video.